this 2024 Cruiser RV Shadow Cruiser 260 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cruiser RV is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.